Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'd like to unbox a coffee grinder that I ordered and it's arrived this morning. And it's a brand called Viesimple. And I'd like to go ahead and unbox this. This is basically a wonderful coffee grinder with a very small print. And it's advertised as espresso and coffee grinder. However, it's more like a coffee grinder. I mean, you can maybe use pressurized baskets for espresso, but I don't think it'll be as fine enough to use a bottomless single wall baskets. However, this will be a great coffee grinder for your drip coffee, AeroPress, pour overs. And let's go ahead and unbox this to see what's in this box. All right, you guys. I ordered this from Amazon in usual fashion that I always order almost everything from Amazon. Anyways, I ordered this for our filter coffee maker. Here she is. It's a brand called Zojirushi. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. And this is a 5-cup coffee maker. Works great for us. We really enjoy it. Especially my wife uses this all the time. Anyways, this is the coffee grinder for this particular machine. All right. Box is very nice and stylish. A silver box. Little booklet comes out of it. Very nicely done. Appears to be in several different languages. And here she is. There's a bag. Nice. A spoon. A stir spoon. Something like this. It's going to be perfect for our little spoon rest. All right. A cleaning brush. Very cool. And something silicone. See what this is. The silicone appears to be a lid. Here's the container. I assume where the grinds go. You can also use it as the measuring cup maybe for your beans. And here's the main event. Very cool. Comes with the bellows and a lid. It's made out of metal, some sort, most likely aluminum. Looks like it's been tested or something because I do see some grounds here and there. And here's the on-off switch and the power port. Adjustments are on top. Goes up to from 0 to 11 and a half. Interesting. All right, and here's the power brick. Standard power brick. And this should be magnetic, based on what I read before I made the purchase. Yes, it is magnetic. And wow, pretty strong magnets too. I mean, look at it. I'm holding it upside down. Love it. Yep. This is the Viesimple coffee grinder. And let's see how it's going to look next to our Zojirushi. Looks like perfect match made in heaven, huh? Check this out. Love it. Absolutely love it. Boom. Take it, fill it, put it on. Here it is. All right, this is the Viesimple grinder. It's a coffee grinder. It'll be an excellent grinder for a drip coffee maker, pour overs, or AeroPress. And appears to be wonderfully made. I think this little space, it's a Burr grinder. Here are the gears in there. Little burrs actually, not the gears. But anyway, it looks like it could easily hold 4 to 5 cups of coffee, which is perfect for this machine. This is a 5-cup coffee maker by Zojirushi. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. As I get more stuff, I'll be happy to share it with you guys. And happy brewing.